Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Brevo, Sendinblue. To disable Brevo tracking links in your account, start by logging into your Brevo account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Campaigns tab on the left side of the screen.
Click on Campaigns to access your email campaigns.
Select the campaign where you want to disable tracking links.
After selecting the campaign, click on the Edit option to modify the campaign settings.
Scroll down to the Tracking section. In the Tracking section, you will see an option for Track Links. Uncheck the box next to Track Links to disable link tracking for this campaign. After unchecking the box, review any other settings as needed. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click the Save button to apply the changes. You will now have disabled Brevo link tracking for that specific campaign.
If you wish to disable tracking links for future campaigns, repeat these steps for each campaign you create. To confirm that your settings are saved, return to the campaign overview. Make sure the changes reflect in your settings to ensure link tracking is disabled.
That's it. You have successfully disabled Brevo tracking links in your campaign.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.